What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Kevin Svenson here. Just want to talk about the price action that we're seeing right now. With all the Tether FUD, we can see that there's actually a pretty big price difference between, exchanges like Coinbase that are using US dollar. It's around 5,200 right now. Exchanges like Bitfinex that are using Tether, it's around over 5,400 right now. So there's a big spread in the price of Bitcoin between, non-Tether exchanges and Tether exchanges. It's pretty interesting. We are maintaining the upsloping support right now. We kind of wick down to our horizontal level, a horizontal support level, but overall we are still maintaining the upward sloping trajectory of this, of this formation. But is this all just a facade, guys? Is this all taking place right now because people are exiting Tether and they're forced to buy Bitcoin? The price is temporarily being propped up by the mass exodus of Tether back into Bitcoin or US dollar. That's what I think is going on right now, guys. I think the price is currently being propped up. Overall, I mean, it doesn't take a genius to figure that, all of this, FUD and bad news about Tether and the potential for Bitfinex to be doing some really shady things right now. It doesn't take a genius to know that this is not going to really help the market. It's not going to, bring confidence to institutional investors or the general population seeing news like this and controversy like this and scandals like this. Now, guys, we have to remember, we did get that golden cross, right? We got a clear golden cross on the daily chart, so things are looking bullish, but that is more of a macro signal, not a short-term signal. And we are, of course, with all the FUD right now, people exiting Tether, again, I think this could just be a facade right now. The market looking like it's bouncing back, looking like it's bullish, but really it's just the market, people capitulating out of Tether into Bitcoin to, sort of propping the price up temporarily as we see all this FUD and bad news coming out. I think once people exit Tether, then, with all of this uncertainty, if Bitfinex gets slammed for doing some shady things, then, that's not going to be good for the market. Guys, this price action with Bitcoin right now is potentially caused by criminal activity, guys, right? So I would just be cautious. Yes, we are getting a little bit of a bounce off of our support level, but it's not necessarily for a good reason, and it's not necessarily bullish right now, even though the price is moving up. I mean, temporarily it's bullish because people have to buy Bitcoin. So guys, just looking at the Binance chart right now, which is another exchange that's using Tether, I mean, you can see that we're clearly maintaining this upward sloping price channel, ascendant triangle, whatever you want to call it. Right now, just looking at our support and our resistance, we're maintaining this really well. The sell volume, we are getting a lot of selling pressure here for Bitcoin with all this uncertainty. But of course, guys, people that don't want to hold Tether anymore are forced to buy into the market. If you look at the Bitfinex order book, I mean, things are pretty heavy in here, right? Pretty packed up in the order book here. And also, if we just drop a horizontal support line here on our support for Coinbase and we just move it back to the 3-day so we can see, guys, the exact area of support that we're getting right now for the price is the exact area of the parabolic top here for Bitcoin, which is basically $5,000. That is where we're finding support right now. So, if we break below $5,000, that is a strong bearish signal. So yeah, guys, the main point that I want to drive here is that, just because we're seeing a little bit of support coming in at the support line, it's just it's likely the effects of the Tether news and people leaving Tether and they have to buy Bitcoin in order to get out of Tether, right? So just keep all that in mind. Stay cautious out there, guys. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next video.